Hello students, how are you doing today? Doing great, excellent. Today we are going to study a word that confuses many students. And this word is rather. And normally we use it to express preference, to say we prefer. I would rather go to the movies tonight. Rather is classified as an adverb. If you look it up in the dictionary, it says it is an adverb. Okay? It's an adverb. And it has many uses. For example, rather, we can use it to express somewhat. We can use it to express instead. We can use it to express or to noticeably. We can use it to say that something is correct or to express preference. And I wrote some examples here for you, okay? The first sentence here says, it's rather warm today. It's rather warm today. Rather. It's rather cold. It's rather warm. So when we use it in this manner, rather means somewhat. Somewhat. Rather. Somewhat. It's rather warm today. And the next one is, she's rather pretty. She's rather pretty. And you can say this with other adjectives. She's rather tall. He's rather slim. He's rather whatever. Okay? So, rather here means noticeably. She's noticeably pretty. She's noticeably pretty. So here, rather is noticeably. She's noticeably pretty. He didn't call. Rather, he wrote a letter. Okay, which one of these can we substitute it with? He didn't call. Rather, he wrote a letter. We can substitute it with instead. He didn't call. Instead, he wrote a letter. See the uses? Okay, you need to learn these uses. Because rather confuses many of you. He didn't call. Rather, we can substitute it for instead. He didn't call. Rather, he wrote the letter. They agreed, or rather, didn't disagree. When we want to be exact, when we want to express, when we say something and then we want to express something that's more correct, we use the word rather. They agreed. Well, not exactly, right? So then you correct it. Or rather, didn't disagree. That's what really happened. They didn't disagree. They didn't exactly agree. They agreed, or rather, didn't disagree. So here, it's correctly. Okay, rather, when we want to make something more accurate. Okay, I would rather eat pizza. When you see the conditional would and then rather, okay, it's the same as prefer. Prefer. I prefer to eat pizza. I would rather eat pizza. So here, rather would be prefer. Okay? It's used as prefer with a conditional would. Okay, so would rather. This confuses many people. Teacher, what is would rather? I ask this question very often. Could you explain would rather? Would rather is a very common expression in English, and you use it to substitute it for prefer. I would rather eat pizzas. I would rather go to the movies. Right? Are you going to the beach this weekend? No, I would rather stay home. I would prefer to stay home. See that? Okay, excellent. Hope you like this video. Make sure you leave a comment, and see you next class.